Now, old Skyball Paint was a devil saint, and his eyes were a fiery red. Good men have tried this horse to ride, but shucks, all of them are dead. Now, I won't brag, but boy, I rode that nag till his blood began to boil. Then I hit the ground and I ate 3 pounds of good old Texas soil. Singing hi-ho, whoop-tie-yo, ride him high and down you go, son of the western soil. I swore by heck I'd break his neck for the joke he gave my pride. I threw my noose on that old cayuse and once more took a ride. He turned around and soon I found his head where his tail should be. I says I, perhaps he's shy or he just don't care for me. Singing hi-ho, whoop-tie-yo, ride him high and down you go, son of the western soil. In town one day I chanced to stray upon old Sheriff Jim. For a hoop and a holler and a counterfeit dollar I sold that nag to him. But when he plants the seat of his pants in Skyball's leather chair, I'll bet 4 bits when Skyball kicks old Jim will not be there. Singing hi-ho, whoopie-tie-yo, ride him high and down you go, son of the western soil.